Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my productive It Girl morning routine. This is the routine I try to stick to every day. Sometimes I fall off, but that's okay, I'm just human. But this is the routine that I love and it's the routine that sets me up for an amazing day. I begin my morning routine by waking up around 6:37 a.m. Sometimes I wake up earlier around 5, sometimes I wake up later around 8. It really depends on how tired I was the night before. Also, it depends on what exactly I'm doing that day. If I'm going to the office, I tend to wake up earlier. If I'm not going to the office, I tend to lay around in bed for a bit more. When I wake up, I like to laze about for a bit, check my messages, see if I have anything important I need to reply to. And once that is done, I make my bed. Making my bed every morning, especially when I know I'm going to the office, has changed my life. I like coming home to a laid bed, to be honest, and I can't really explain what it is, but I love to make my bed now. Like, I'm such an adult. Once I've made my bed, I head to the kitchen and I drink a cup of water. I always start my mornings with a cup of water. Then I either make my coffee or my tea. I tend to do tea on days I do yoga and coffee on the days I do my lower body workouts. But on this particular day, I wanted to take coffee to the office. So I'm going to be drinking tea and be doing my lower body workout as well. And once I've made my beverage of choice, it's time for me to work out. I always do some sort of movement in the mornings before I head out, and even when I'm not going to the office. I'm either doing yoga or a lower body workout, and I have some more videos coming on my fitness journey, so look out for that if you want more details.
Insurance had been renewed.
Yeah, I know. I found out. I know the whole thing. Well, I found out when he pulled me over that I did.
I mean, his team is hundreds.
Yeah.
So, I think
He seems huge. I mean, he's doing the big shoot now. Now is the way big shoot at the Beast Games.
Oh. I feel saying on past this moment.
He had heard about the news and he knew about like Dragon Ball,
Okay.
but he didn't know Akira Toriyama's name until the day that he passed. And I thought you were supposed to finish by. It's been years.
Yeah, I kind of got demoralized because I somehow lost the footage of me reading 1 through 17 like chapter polygon.
No, I don't think I can do it because I don't think anyone.
Once I'm done working out, I'm going to plan my outfit for the day and also pack my work bag. It usually takes me a couple of minutes to figure out what I'm going to wear, and sometimes I even plan my outfit the night before, so it's just easier for me to get through my morning. So I'm not wasting time and brain space to figure out what to wear. Once I picked up my outfit, I pick up my jewelry and I have everything laid out and ready before I head into the shower, because once I am done in the shower, it's dress up and go time. I can never forget breakfast. Breakfast depends on my mood, but I try to have a protein-rich breakfast. Sometimes it's eggs and baked beans, sometimes it's eggs and sausages. It's been a lot of Greek yogurt as of late, and I love to have my Greek yogurt with fruits, honey, brown sugar. Why protein breakfast? 1, for PCOS, it's better for our hormones, and 2, for building muscle. With all the working out I do, I need to consume protein to get the best results. At this point in my morning, I'm listening to music in my kitchen, and I'm also packing my lunch for the day. This little moment where I'm eating my breakfast and doing my thing is a form of self-care for me. I get to live in my home, I get to do home things, listen to music, and just get to exist in my space. I love this little moment of me in my kitchen living life. Once I've eaten breakfast, I've set out my coffee things, I've packed my lunch, I'm going to take my shower. And I've worked out, so I did a bunch of stuff, so I gotta wash it all off. If you guys want to know the exact products I'm using, let me know and I can do a video sort of like my everything shower routine. I can share my daytime shower routine. Once I'm done in the shower, I'm going to dress up. I already picked out my outfit, so it's really smooth sailing from here. Now we're gonna head back into the kitchen to make my iced coffee that I'm gonna be taking to the office. If you want to know the full recipe for this coffee, you can check on my Instagram. I posted the full video there. Once that coffee is done, that's it. I'm ready to head out to the office, and my morning routine is basically done. I order my cab, and once my cab is here, I'm off to the office. And that is it for my It Girl morning routine. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to wake up to the subscribe button so you can join this family here on YouTube. Also, do not forget to work out to the like button so you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and it will recommend it to other people as well. Finally, do not forget to make your morning coffee or tea to the notification bell so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!